Matt, I have a question. Who goes to IHOP, the International House of Pancakes, and orders a burger?
I do.
Hey guys, happy Saturday morning. It's Sonia and welcome back to the daily vlog. It feels fresh in here. It smells fresh in here. Doesn't it smell fresh, Matt?
Yes.
You can smell it all the way up to, I'm pretty sure. I haven't been to the third floor today, but the second floor of the house totally smells like we did laundry together. So far so good with that whole scent pack that we added yesterday on the vlog to the paint can. Loving how this color has really set up in here. Oh my gosh, walking into it this morning and even last night when Matt came home, I gotta tell you, he was like, whoa, in a good way, like, wow, this is really nice. This looks really, really good. So guys, we did a good job yesterday. Today on the vlog and in our future, I see us putting this space back together. So we're gonna decorate, we're gonna clean a little bit. I got stuff I need to get done today. And I see food in our future. So Matt is taking us out for some IHOP this morning. So let's go. Okay, yeah, oh, look at this. All right, well, everything that was on that plate is now in my belly. I ate it all. Matt, I have a question. Who goes to IHOP, the International House of Pancakes, and orders a burger?
I do.
What were you thinking?
I'll be honest with you, in 43 years, that's the first time I've ever done that.
That was weird. I looked
But it
across
was
and like
good. I
onion
just
rings and a
wasn't-
burger at a pancake joint.
Yeah, but I just wasn't.
So how was it?
It was good.
It was good?
It was good, yeah.
Cool. My pancakes were amazing. My breakfast was amazing. I tell you guys all the
You're
time.
amazing.
You're amazing and you're amazing. Everybody gets a car, okay? But I could eat breakfast 24/7. Love, love, love breakfast any hour of the day. Like, I am a breakfast person. How about you guys out there? So it was delicious. I ate it all. And right now it's Saturday afternoon. What's the temperature? 47 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's a chilly day. And after eating all those carbs, having a cup of tea, I'm about ready for a nap.
I'm sorry, I was napping.
So I need to get some chairs for my dining room table, and I'm here at home looking at all of them. Holy moly, there's a lot to pick from. But to be honest with you, I really don't want to pay $150 a chair. The thrifter, the junker in me says I could find some somewhere for a whole lot cheaper than that and paint them myself. What do you guys think? Would you pay $150 for a chair? And I need 6 of them. That adds up pretty quick. Not in my budget. All right, we're gonna go junkin' or find chairs somewhere. And we are back at the house. I stopped and got my Pretties painted. Oh my goodness, changed from the blue to a beautiful fall-like color. Can you see them? They are sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. Love them, with a little bit of bling bling. And for those of you who are wondering the color, because I know you will ask me, it is Loving Walnut. That is the color. And I am loving it, loving it, loving it. All right, but we gotta put these Pretties to work. We've got to do some cleaning. It's a little bit later in the day. We are losing daylight. I wanna get this dining room put back together and also just do a few extra things around the house. So let's make this place clean before we go to bed. By the way, got home, got the mail, and I swear, I have never seen this before. Have you? Have you guys ever received one of these at your house? I have not, and I'm like, Matt, you realize what this is, right? Like, these are the times that we live in. It's the ultimate wish list from Amazon. It is the equivalent, my friends, of the Sears Christmas catalog. It is full of toys. And I kid you not, this is amazing. You go down and you see all the codes that are linked to the pictures of the toys. You can go on Amazon in your pajamas and shop
and have it sent right to your house. This is the take on the Christmas catalog in a whole new way. Who else growing up used to love to get the Christmas catalog? Could not wait to go through everything, circle it, you know. One, look, this one got stickers into it. How fun is that? Find the page that you loved and you know, do a fold on the corner, and you and your brother, your sister would fight over it. Yeah, who knew? Man, times have changed. Insane. Oh my gosh, there's a checklist. Something knocking your stockings off, write it down. No way. Yay, fresh towels in the house. And again, if we had smell-o-vision, oh, it smells so fresh. All right, let's go put those in the closet and move on to the next thing. Va-va-va-voom! Heck yeah, and Matt found a Twizzler. Left over from the holiday stash. Good deal. All right, what do you guys think of this table? Pretty grand, pretty amazing. Yes, we've got to find some chairs that will work for it, because now that I've got it painted, yes, yes. Well, my cleaning frenzy is now complete, and I feel like it really is a huge difference in here. Wow. So all the stuff that was in here, like the table, the chairs, it's all over right there in the living room right now, waiting to decide what its fate will be. And our table is now in place. Isn't she beautiful? Boy, this space even feels so much more bigger now that we have the round glass table out of here, all this open space. So I did keep my chairs, my mirror over there for right now at least. That's the fun of it, right? Moving things around. But we definitely have to find some chairs for this monstrous beauty right here. So what do you guys think? What a difference, right? Bye-bye that yellowy old world wallpaper. Hello, nice and fresh, and it smells fresh in here as well. I think I'm gonna have to get a runner for right here. It's so funny because when we were out today shopping, I found this gorgeous steampunk runner. It was like a black lace, and it had like gadgets into it. Yes, puppies, I know. I might have to go back for it. Tomorrow on the vlog, I will show you part of that shopping trip. Me and Matt went out today looking for half-priced fall Halloween stuff so we could build our stash for our home. And today was a great day to get out and do that. So tomorrow on the vlog, you'll see some of that footage. Thanks guys for hanging out with me again on the vlog for another day. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already done so, please do. Hit the bell down below. What it does is it will give you alerts every single time there's a new video uploaded for you to watch. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Do you like this table better? Oh my gosh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. See you tomorrow. Bye. And now I gotta find a place for that other glass table. We will make it fit somewhere.